Bah, cold. What is going on, my 1400 fellow freaks? This is your friend King Julian, and I'm here with none other than Lady Rosalinda, and we're going for a big adventure this morning. It's 8:11. We have 19 minutes to get where we need to get, and I'm waiting for my baby to get warmed up and ready to work. Oh yeah, it just happened. Awesome. Hello, little man. Those of you who follow me and watch my videos actually know what a weird hobby we have with my friend Igor, besides motorcycling. In the winter, we're going for cold water swims. In Igor's case, it's more of a ice bath, but I like to swim too. And that's precisely what we're gonna do today. It's a very crazy thing to do on a motorcycle, so I don't want anybody to try this at home. Because, I will explain why. Because we've been getting ready for this for 2 years now. Regular cold showers, ice baths, exposure to cold during the winter months. So if you want to try something like this, you better be ready. And I'm still not sure whether I'm ready to do this now, because the temperature is around 3 degrees. The water could be more or less the same. And the last time I did this activity on a motorcycle was last year in March, but it was actually, I think, mid-March or end of March, and the temperature was much higher than it is now. Now we have the what? 25th of February. February? It was September makes love to February. February. Anyway, so we're going to do this with my friend Igor. We're meeting at 8:30, so I have 16 minutes, and this red has been going on now for 65 minutes, which is amazing because I'm not in a hurry at all. Anyway, let me explain how we do it. So we usually go by car. What is the time you have to stay there in the water, you ask? So I would say minimum 1 minute, because you need to go through the phase when your body actually gets used to the cold, and instead of just nasty feelings, you feel kind of euphoric. I mean, it's up to you, but the healthy standard would be the amount of time in minutes equals Celsius degrees. So right now that would mean 3 minutes for us, because the water is around 3 degrees. However, me and Igor, we are kind of crazy and we do 5 to 6 minutes. And I know some people who do 20 actually in these terrible temperatures, and I don't get it, how they don't die. Alright, and the reason why I'm today with my baby Rosalinda instead of Igor and his white van is his wife is using it, so we didn't have a car for this morning. Ooh, look at this. So, yeah. Of course I can see shit when I'm in the turn. Suddenly everything gets foggy. Anyway, so I'll guide you through this magical experience, and I hope it will inspire you to boost your immunity the same way we do. Waiting for Igor. I'll be here. Oh, my fingers. Come on. Where are you, Igor? Anyway, at least, you guessed it, at least the sun is shining. Beautiful. Oh, hello there, you little angel. Look what happened to her. Shit. Some freaking stone or something. Should I attack Igor? I think I should. He'll see the motorcycle, which will distract him, but he won't see me hiding here. I'm a genius. But he'll see the helmet. I'll figure it out. I should have a weapon. Yeah, that'll do. Anyway, this is great. There's a car nearby, and the driver is watching me for some time now. I look like a schizophrenic. I should start earning money through YouTube because I'm making a fool out of myself, talking to myself like a mad person. Of course I like it, but people don't know. I'm risking a lot. I'm risking my reputation. It would be reputational damage if my folks at work found out that I'm talking to myself. I'll start an OnlyFans or whatever. No OnlyFans. Patreon. I'll start OnlyFans. A picture of my ass every day. Oh. That's so funny. Who would pay for that? Would you pay for King Julien's OnlyFans? Would you? Let me know, please. I want to know. If you would, then I'll seriously consider it. You'll have my hairy legs every day. Your fresh dose of King Julien's hairy legs. I'm so stupid. How am I still alive? I would say that a person like me would die at the first crosswalk, and look at me, I'm still here. How the hell is that possible? Oh, look at this. This went well. This is so cool. I think I'm happy. I think I'm actually looking forward to this. I need to find a good position for Rosie so we can take pictures. Oh. Cool. Now, find yourself a comfortable position, my freaky friends, and let's discuss the cold. When exposing yourself to the ice-cold water, think about it as getting closer to your most natural self. Human body is built to endure extreme conditions. Extremes belong to the nature, and so do we. Think about it actively. Do not fear the cold. Embrace it. Focus on your breath. Extreme cold exposure might trigger a shock response, fast, shallow breathing, or even hyperventilation. To prevent this, take a slow and deep breath through your nose, hold for a second, then exhale slowly through your mouth and repeat. By maintaining slow and controlled breathing, you're letting your body know that you have full control over the situation. No need to be in stress. You can leave whenever you feel you've had enough. This is not a competition. This is a meditation. You are just in this moment. Daily struggles become irrelevant as you're facing the elements of nature. Alright, let's cut the crap now. What does it actually look like? Barefoot. Wasn't a good idea. Počkej, boss! Choď spolu.
Ja sa neskôr
Poďme na...
Ja sa neskôr dávam. Pozerám.
Na to ti serem. Ti sračka. Ach, to je hovno, to je humus.
Čúram. To pomôže.
Dude, we did 5 minutes and I'm done. Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus. Seriously, don't ever try this. It was great, but also kind of stupid. And I need to get back ASAP. I need to be at work in 20 minutes. Dude, let's go home. Let's go home, Rosie. Vráško môj, musím utekať do roboty.
Dobre. Ďakujem.
Ďakujem.
Voláme si kámo.
A vidíš, ešte dodatočne všetko najlepšie, však som ťa ani nevyobjímal. Can you join me, guys, with congratulating my friend Igor to his birthday, which was 2 days ago on 23rd of February. This majestic beast. Oh, this is not the best time to be in a hurry. But I need to be at work very soon. I'm feeling cold, but not too cold. I'm actually surprised. Because every time I would enter the warmed up car, I would start shaking uncontrollably. I just start shaking. So I was afraid the same would happen to me here on a bike. But apparently, since the difference in temperature is not so dramatic and not unnatural, I'm doing much better than I would be in a car. Well, that's an interesting learning. Oh, right, my dudes and dudesses. Oh my god. My testes are not gonna talk to me for 2 weeks now. I'm basically a little girl. Anyway, with this beautiful message, I want to say thank you for watching my stupid adventures, subscribing to my channel, leaving likes, comments, whatever. It's just great. I love doing this. I feel very rewarded. So thank you for that. And please take good care of yourselves, your loved ones. Don't do stupid shit like me and Igor do. Be happy, be well, be safe. I'll talk to you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.